For this year 2021, we still say wish still dey exist. So it shock me. And the company seen from Nigeria when we say different mega churches dey when we say they pray against winches, fall and die, fall and die every day. Now for there, so now the witches, in short, the witches we say go there for Nigeria itself, never come any past any other witches of this world. And the company say for Nigeria, the witch we say they for the so baba thing they do. One good thing, not the one they come outside for inside. No wonder when we say Bible talk and say, for this life we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principality and power. My people, it could mean to be extra prayerful. I mean extra prayerful, because may God not let them be say we see bad thing. We can't say one person sleeping, not wake up. But this maybe say na sickness, or maybe say na God, na call up, but not say na one witch. You go there, go dance for there before they break. The person not going to wake up again. My people, you get one particular video when we say come outside of recent, when we say one witch, when we say CCTV camera cash, when begin go one compound, begin they display, begin they dance for front of a motor, he will dance around the motor, he dance for the front of the compound, he even the camera will see capture time say this witch so sit appear. I be disappear enter the building because he come outside they get carry something when I pikin carry come outside though when not the pikin carry come outside but the will be say the witch take carry and come outside and the will be say take pick the thing from ground wey say take go back to inside this thing again thing wey say take disappear go back again go down the thing for inside again my people. The thing so it really dey strange and why I both see and say thing dey scary. If you even look the broom we see this particular witch woman so carry come this compound so you see na broom we see dey fresh the leaf dey fresh and the thing be say this witch now camera catch am and e no show e face the woman so that so e cover face cover nose cover everything even the face wey say even dey for inside e be like say she don fit use black cloth fit take cover the face on her own before she come use one kind white cloth come take cover body. My people, you see now the owner of this house now don't be surprised now you come hear say like a year later now come to see person say fit get business e business no come dey again or who fit get motor e no come get motor again we come to see maybe say e don tell maybe say that he use him hand take go put him hand for bad thing but we no know say maybe na person we say dey for a family so person we say no want the good progress at all but the one we say we come begin dey put this kind of person so make e not take succeed for life. Who knows wetin be the thing we see this particular witch now go carry come outside for this building so who knows if na pikin na that pikin life go still be the same thing again. If na maybe boss so they put money for inside house now you just that person will ever get money again for in life. My people, so tell say we go sleep wake up so we talk say bad God I never pay my pikin school fees bad God I never pay for house rent but you sleep wake up we no go even open mouth including me and not just say maybe say I dey deny the fact we no go open mouth tell Baba God thank you for this day we say e come break come meet us so thank you Baba God you give us life you give us hope you give us good health we no know we no go even acknowledge God no begin dey thank God for wetin we say God do for us but we dey complain say so we no get money to pay for house rent na so we no get money to pay for school children school fees na so we no get money to do anything money but you no know the battle we say God fight for you we say you take sleep wake up come see yourself for the following morning. Witch get guts take fly come compound. At first when I go see the video say I see a light this is a fit trick I watch am again I thought say no it can never be fit trick the way we say you take enter the machine okada when we say you drive when we say come which is the broom we say you take come sef. At first when I look at I thought say no it can be seen like fit trick but I come look and say for this compound we see on the see so for this video so now go look and say for the compound see na tiles na they tiles this compound so you know the kind of particular compound they use kind of brutal they sweep so not be this kind of compound not be no those for villages now wey won't be say leaves go there for ground and that particular broom so they sweep both the leaf everything for ground but this one so then they use maybe the okada the motor abi the helicopter or the aeroplane wey say this witch use say vanish come this place so tomorrow now we go yes maybe the owner of the car now say the person get accident now we say maybe say na bad thing he put in hand put no say na enemies na wey dey put am don't be surprised say if you can be say this particular witch wey say even come meet when you come this compound so na witch wey be say na person wey say they go dey give money wey say the owner of this house so go dey give money don't even be surprised say go even say give am money wey dey pay children school fees we say mommy take this woman you say make you take enjoy yourself anything we say you get go dey give am go take be say na person wey say love and all say my pikin don go dey pray for am for daytime go dey pray for am but don't say night e don turn to lizard or e don turn to fly e don turn to cockroach wey say you come take compound take come the house come begin do it different incantation. My people, we need to be extremely prayerful. No wonder I will say Bible talk say for this life say we wrestle not against, not that for this life we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities and power. Especially for this kind of time now, we see this year one end now we hear different accidents here and there. We don't know now different accidents here and there, but now see person now say they can begin to do incantation now for a motor for night now. See how they come happen for maybe highway tomorrow now. They say maybe see the driver they drive recklessly. We don't say things spirituality don't there for inside. No wonder many people they talk say before things come happen for physical, it don't really happen for spiritual. Now all these things so many people see. Now they can be say they talk that kind of statement say no be everything as in before something come happen for physically. So the spiritual people don't really go dig for spiritual graves. We just need to be extra prayerful. And I pray we say our head no go see bad thing. No harm will come between us. It go come for us. It will come for our life and the life of our loved ones. Anything we say enemy they plan, they go use their hand to dig the grave, and they go use their leg to fall inside. For this year, when we say one end, so we go see the year successfully. We go see an end successfully. We will that 2022 go see start again. My people are beg. Don't forget to pray. I'll say I will leave on the video at the end, the full video at the end of this video. So I will not forget to like the video, comment what you see for this, what you see about this video. I'll not forget to give this video a thumbs up until I see you now for my next video. Bye bye.